Hello friends, we will see some related transaction. For ABAP dictionary it is SC11. For ABAP dictionary it is SC11. Now for data dictionary initial screen display it is SC12. See, it will only display. The difference between SC11 and SC12 is in this SC11 you can display, change and create, but in SC12 you can only display. Now SC13. SC13 it is used for ABAP dictionary technical settings. As you can see, technical settings, change display. Now SC14. SC14 it is used for database utilities. Tables, view, match, code, pool, cluster. Now SC15 it is used for repository information system. SC15. Now SE16. Now SE16 it is used for data browser. SC17 it is used for general table display. SM30 last it is used for table maintenance. Maintain table view, table maintenance. Now we will see what we can create in data dictionary. We can create a table, like creating a table, creating data elements and domain, creating structure and table type, creating search help, creating lock object, creating database views. We will see all this one by one. Now we will see what is domain. Domain is an object which specifies technical information of field in a table. Example, data type, length, value range, etc. Now we will create a domain, change domain and delete domain. So we will see all these things one by one. Now domain. First we will create a domain. It specifies the technical characteristics of table field. Domain assigned to a data element and defines a value range. Now we will create a domain. So Z domain to create. See, we have to write a short description. So we will write our first domain, data type. Just we have to click on this character. Here you can see all these things. We have to click on character string. Yes. Number of characters 3. Output length 3. Now value range. We will create a gender information. So FE female, M for male, so male, others. Now just we will save it, yes, and activate. Now as you can see, object activated. We have created our domain. Now we will see how to change the domain. So just change value. If I have to give, we will click female. Again we will write female and others. Other. Save it. Activate. Object activated. In this we have seen how to create a domain, how to change a domain. Now we will see how to delete a domain. Just simply click on this, delete Z domain 1. Yes. Now we have deleted our domain. Z domain was deleted. As you can see, again if I write create, it will show. We have seen how to create a domain, how to change the domain, how to delete the domain.